Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I have an unboxing for you, and it's an unboxing of a mystery box. Everybody loves a mystery, especially when it comes to yarn. I do anyways. And I never really, not that I can ever remember, I guess I got like the Christmas mystery bags from Mayan brand, but I never really got a box of yarn that was a mystery. So I'm super excited. So I didn't know, since I had such a good experience with Mary Maxim last time that I ordered, if you haven't seen that video, that unboxing, I'll put a link to it on the screen. You should check it out. But anyways, I had a really good experience with them, and I liked all the yarn I got from them, and I thought it was all like relatively decent priced. So I thought I'd order from them again and again. This came in like 2 days. I mean, it was super fast shipping. Now I ordered 2 mystery boxes because it doesn't say much about them on the website, other than it says it's an ideal way to stock up on your yarn stash. We choose the assortment, and you enjoy all the savings. All selections are quality offerings from prior catalogs with a guarantee of satisfaction. It doesn't really say much else about it. But their regular price $60, but they have them right now for $29.99. Half off right now. I don't know how much yarn's in here, how many skeins are in here, or anything. I don't know if both boxes are going to contain the same thing. That's why I ordered 2, so I could see if both contain the same thing or not. But I'm really kind of excited. But they came like this. They were taped together here. So you guys want to open them up? I want to open them up. I'm super excited. Mystery Mary Maxim yarn. I always want to say Mary Maxim. So I don't know what's going to be inside. Hopefully they don't. I don't know if they're going to contain the same thing. I don't know anything really. Or, you know, it's a mystery. I'm super excited though. And you know me and my weird yarn problems that I suffer from. You guys ready? We're doing it together. You guys ready? Okay, so you get their catalog information again. And here is my mystery box. Okay. So it looks like it's all in a bag. It looks like they give you a few skeins of the same color so you can make a project. That's pretty cool because you don't... What's this? Mary Maxim Baby, 100% premium acrylic fine weight yarn. It's really soft. You can tell it's premium acrylic. I would not consider that a fine weight yarn though. Made in Turkey, approximately 306 yards. It says number 2 fine. That's not a number 2. That's like a 4 weight. That's pretty baby blue. Yeah, it's soft. So they sent 2 of those. Gosh, I love these surprises. They're so much fun. So 2 of those. So that's a little over 600 yards, which would make something, a baby dress, baby sweater, something like that. And this is their wool spun. Now, I had bought this in my prior unboxing, and I liked it. It's really soft. It's a DK, but it's a very thick. DK stands for double knit, which is the same thing as a lightweight 3. And it's made in Turkey, 174 yards, and it's an acrylic nylon blend. That's a pretty orange. That's going to be something good for fall, Halloween. So I got 3 of those. Let's see. This is something new. I never have seen this. Mary Maxim Anti-Pill Worsted. Very soft too. Yeah, that's soft stuff. It's a medium weight 4, machine wash and dryable. Anti-pill. Made in Turkey, 196 yards. It's pretty cream color. It'd be pretty good too for, I don't know what for. Whatever you wanted. I don't know how much these are individually at the moment because I would have to look them all up, but 196 yards. So they sent 4 of those the same. There's 3. And here's one more. So, and then we got, this is Quick Color Claws Koch Collection, Claws Cook Collection. Quick Color. It's soft. It's bulky 6. 100% acrylic. It's pretty blues. Made in Turkey. It's 52 meters, so probably 60 yards. I like that one too. It's pretty and soft. So I have 2 of those. That make a nice hat. No, I got more than 2 of those. I got 3 of those. So that make a nice hat. And then I got Twisted Jean yarn, and it's brown. I don't know how they knew I like brown. Oh, that's nice. Twisted Jean. 218 yards premium acrylic. Wash and dryable. Yep. This reminds me of some yarn I bought at Hobby Lobby up there. I love this yarn. That's what it looks like. It's a decently soft acrylic. It's pretty. I like it. So I got 4 of those. 200 meters, so that's over 800 yards, 218 yards in each one. So, and then I got some Bernat satin from Yarn Inspirations, 200 yards. It's a 4-weight, 100% acrylic. Bernat satin is a nice yarn. So it's because it's not, it reminds me of Caroline Simply Soft. If you've never used it before, it's very similar to that, I think. Pretty pink. So I got 4 of those. So that was what was in my mystery box. So there's 4, 8, 9, 10. 20 skeins. So I paid $30 and I got 20 skeins, so like $1.50 a skein. That's pretty good, and you get the fun of the mystery. But I got another one open so we can see if it's the same or not. I'm happy with all those. I am. Now I'm all frazzled because I'm excited about the yarn. I lost my opener. Here it is. You guys think I don't think it'll be the same, but I just wanted to make sure. Oh, it is the same. Oh no. Yep, it's the same. That's okay. That just gives you extra of the ones you just got. So just in a pattern and more. Oh, they sent some patterns with this one. Yep, it's the same stuff. Again, I honestly didn't think it was going to be the same. So now I'm curious if it's always going to be the same. Surely it can't always be the same. Now, I'm not disappointed that it's the same because it gives me more of each one to make a something bigger. But then again, I am a little disappointed that I'm not really that disappointed, I guess. Just maybe a little bit, only because I love yarn so much. I would have liked to see different stuff, but that's okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm probably gonna put this one in a giveaway. So probably I'm not gonna open it up because you can see it's all the same yarn that was in the other one. There's 20 skeins there. So if you guys buy these, I don't know, remember I'm not affiliated with Mary Maxim. I don't have affiliated links. They didn't send me this. I bought it. I don't care if you buy it. I'm just saying I don't know if it's going to be the same or not. But if you do happen to ever buy them or you've bought them before, let me know in the comments if you got the same thing. Because for $1.50, I got 20 of them for $30. So for $1.50 a skein, that's a good price, I think. That's decent. And you can always get free shipping from Mary Maxim and there's not even any minimum price that you have to use, or any minimum amount of money that you have to spend. They have a code, which I will tell it to you. It is, just a second, in case you want to check it out. It's all capital letters, free ship now. And that will always give you free shipping. There's no minimum purchase, I don't think, because I bought little bits amount of yarn one time and I used that code and it worked. So free ship now, all together, all caps, and that'll take off the shipping, because sometimes shipping can be high at Mary Maxim. So so that will take off the shipping, and then it's $29 or $30 for 20 skeins, and they were all really nice yarns. You got some of that Bernat, which is a name brand yarn, and the other ones look like they're house brand yarns, but still no problem with that. Okay, I went and I was digging through this other bag. Now it's the same yarns, but this is so. They gave me 2 of these instead of 3, and they gave me 4 of these instead of 3. So it's still 20 skeins of yarn. And I didn't know what the retail value was, because I can't even find these on their website. So I don't know. I don't know if the retail value was that $60 that it's originally priced for, and then they just sell it for $29.99. I don't know. I'm not for certain, but anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I do wish just for it would be more exciting video if, you know, they were different, but they weren't, so that's okay. Like I said, I might put this one in the giveaway. I'm not certain. Depends on if I make something with this and I need one of the other colors. More than likely I'll put it in a giveaway, because that's usually what I do, but I don't know when that giveaway will be. So yes, that's their mystery boxes. I also bought this separate. This didn't come in their mystery box, but I showed you this in the last video. This is their Mary Maxim Prism yarn. It's so pretty. It's like Red Heart Unforgettable almost, which is really my favorite yarn. These run $4.99 for 290 yards. Look at that rainbow one. I had to get the rainbow one. So I got 2 of those. But remember, these weren't included in the mystery boxes. These were separate. I bought them separate to use for something. It's pretty. So that's it. It's kind of a quick video, because since they were the same, you know, can't do nothing about it. But remember, if you've bought them before, let me know if you got the same yarns as me. I'm wondering if I buy again, if it's going to be the same yarns, because I think $1.50 a skein's a pretty good deal, but I don't want to just keep getting the same yarns all the time. So I'm just going to hold out and see if anybody else has ever bought them, and listen to your guys' comments. But that's it. That's my unboxing. Sorry they couldn't have been different, but I'm still not disappointed. I think it was a good deal. Remember, if you do buy this or anything off Mary Maxim, use that free shipping code. Free ship now, all caps, all together, and you can always get free shipping that way. You know, because it is expensive through their site if you don't use that. But that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. So as always, it was fun opening this stuff with you. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hey, and I got my website back up and running. It's not finished yet, but you can go back to it. It's bagodaycrochet.com. It has some, not all. I'm trying to get all my videos and post descriptions and stuff about them on there. It's just taking a while. There's just a few, but you can go check it out and look around and stuff. But there's not a lot of stuff on it yet. But every day we're putting more, so check it daily. So, but anyways, I'll quit blabbing, and I'll see you on my next video. All right, bye bye.